In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a dynamic collection in Steam. If you're a gamer, you've probably amassed a hefty library of games on Steam over the years. Organizing these games can become quite a task, but dynamic collections are here to ease that process. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up a dynamic collection that automatically updates based on the criteria you set. Let's get started. First, open the Steam app on your computer. If you don't already have it installed, you'll need to download it from Steam's official website and log into your account. Once you're in, make sure the app is fully updated to avoid any hiccups during the process. Now that you're logged in and ready to go, let's move on to the next step. Hover your mouse over the Library tab. You'll find this at the top of your Steam window. This tab is your gateway to all the games you own, and it's where you'll begin the process of creating a dynamic collection. Hovering over it will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, click on Collections. This option will take you to a section where you can see any existing collections you might have and create new ones. Collections are essentially groups of games organized according to your preferences, making it easier to find and manage your games. Next, click on Create Collection. You'll see a button or link that allows you to start a new collection. This will open a new window where you can customize your collection settings. Take a moment to consider how you want to categorize your games. Do you want to organize by genre, completion, status, or something else entirely? The choice is yours. Now, enter a name for your collection. This name should be something descriptive that helps you remember what the collection is about. For example, if you're creating a collection of your favorite indie games, you might name it Indie Favorites. The name you choose will appear in your library, so make sure it's something clear and memorable. After naming your collection, select the collection type. In this case, you'll be selecting Create Dynamic Collection. Dynamic collections are fantastic because they automatically update based on criteria you set, such as tags, genres, or playtime. This feature ensures that your collection stays current without any additional effort on your part. Finally, click Yes, Show Collection to complete the process. This option will save your new dynamic collection and display it in your library. Once you see it there, you can click on it to view the games that meet your criteria. As you acquire new games or your existing games meet the criteria, they'll automatically be added to this collection. And there you have it. Your dynamic collection is now set up and ready to go. Remember, you can always go back and adjust the criteria if your needs change. This flexibility makes dynamic collections a powerful tool for any Steam user looking to streamline their gaming library. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy gaming and enjoy your newly organized library.